Tony, pizza.
What'd you bring me a fucking pizza for? We gotta do this video here.
Eat it.
Still gotta get this video done. It's getting late. Alright, fine. Oh, that looks good. Where's this from?
Lucas.
Oh, Lucas. Yeah, it's actually like New York pizza, like here in the middle of Tennessee. Go figure. That's fucking hot. And it's on Hemi blocks. I'm gonna do the Hemi block hack. All right, ready? Okay. I got the script right here too. Yeah, people think I do this off the top of my head. All right. The weak link on any 426 Hemi block is the main saddles. This is especially true on 1964 to 66 castings. Shit, did I say 64 to 66? I meant 64 to 69. In 70, Chrysler increased the thickness of the main saddle. Actually, in 73, for the over-the-counter blocks, they increased the main saddle size again. And then a lot of people don't know it, but 1976 through 79 440 castings used that larger Hemi saddle, making them the strongest of all of the 440 blocks. Any kind of detonation, and the bolt force tries to pull away from the web between the saddle and the cam journal. Chrysler used cross-bolted mains, but contrary to popular belief, they actually don't do anything to support the main saddles. They're there to keep the cap from walking around at high RPM. Even with the cross bolts opened up to ½ inch and torqued to 100 pounds, I only need a couple of light blows with a hammer to move the saddle around. It's enough to allow the block to crack. So this is something I came across when I was trying to save a cracked block. It's also good insurance for all second generation Hemi blocks. This is good fucking pizza. Instead of drilling and tapping the cap for the standard ½ inch coarse thread bolt with a shoulder, torque the cap in place and then drill through the block into the cap and tap the whole thing for a 9/16 coarse bolt. Once torqued in place, they essentially turn the entire oil pan rail of the motor into a girdle. Obviously, you want to use a non-shouldered bolt for this. It worked for me on nitro, it'll work for you on your street car. If you want a free fucking pizza just like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every month, we pick one random subscriber and send them their own fucking pizza. Go do it now.